How to fix Instagram purple hearts in story, notes, and theme in chat not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Instagram has released a new feature where you can find purple heart in story, notes, and theme. For this, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Now, you want to put in a story on Instagram. Then, when you open up a story, you can find the purple heart at the bottom left corner of your screen if somebody has liked your story. In the same way, if you head over to chats, then open up a conversation. You want to type in Happy New Year and send this. As you can see, there is the purple reaction over here. You can also tap on the username at the top of your screen, then tap on the theme option. Now you can select a New Year purple theme from here. Go ahead and tap on this, then tap on the select option. Now as you can see, this is the new purple heart theme that Instagram has released. On your notes as well, you can simply type in the keyword New Year and then tap on the share option, and as you can see, the purple heart will appear over here as well. Now if this feature is not available in your Instagram, then I'm going to show you some fixes. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for Instagram. Now if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now you want to tap on the open option and check if the problem has been fixed. If it is not, then you want to open up your settings, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Now find Instagram from this list of apps, then tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache. After that is done, open the application. You can also log out and log in again. And with this, you will get the new feature of purple hearts on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.